This is the latest piece here. Another new bright car. It's pretty slick looking. Paid $5.99 for it. I don't have a remote for it though, so I was just gonna be sitting for right now. Seems like New Bright is the biggest maker of these toy RC cars, and so you can't get parts for them unless, you know, I just take them apart and use the parts from other cars. So I finally got a remote that can work this. But it takes a 6-volt battery, which I have. I had to wait to get a 6-volt battery charger, which I finally got. But once I charge the battery, this thing moves like a turtle. I don't know if it's because the battery's no good and can't get a full charge, or just. But I put the 9.6-volt battery in here and it moves pretty good. Of course, I know that there's a chance of burning out the circuitry with that extra battery, but. Also, it's got a good amount of power, so I want to try to put some new wheels on here, but they don't screw off. I don't know why they can't make wheels that just simply screw off, but hopefully I can just unscrew the wheels from here and take them off and find some other ones with this similar attachment that can go on here. It's not too fast, but well, I mean, it's not really that bad for $5. Put some smaller wheels on the front here. Took off some unnecessary weight. These things here, they're fake. Real shock absorbers, just for show. But I don't need that. So now, probably add a little weight in the back. Hopefully we'll be doing some wheelies by tomorrow. So this is the Avenger that we had out last night, which I said I was going to try to pimp out, make it do some wheelies and stuff. So.
Oh, check it out. We may do some wheelies. It doesn't really do that much high top wheelies.
Really, but it won't rise. I'm getting ready to trim this thing down. I'm getting ready to cut all this off, all this out. All this is just unnecessary wasted weight. I'm going to throw some weight in the back here. Get this thing to pop. Alright, so we got a nice lightweight chassis. All that junk cut off. So I might even just take this piece out here too. All I need is these posts here, but I don't need to get too crazy because that's where I can put the body right back on. The body's kind of heavy. I might even try to put like a lightweight soft shell body on it. But we'll see how this works for now. Got some dead batteries here. Throw those batteries in the back. Secure that with some Velcro. The wiring on this steering motor is not long enough to reach because for whatever reason they have both connectors in the back. Usually the steering's in the front and the motor's in the back. So I'm going to throw this other motor in here that has a longer, I don't even know if that's even long enough, but if not, I have to just splice the wires. But now I took this out and it has a different gear on it, so I'm going to switch the gears. I had to make a few cuts in order to get this receiver to fit in. Does wheelies, but so much so that I gotta put some wheelie bars on here now. Otherwise, when I say wheelie bar, I actually mean anything that can stop this thing from flipping over, because this isn't really a wheelie bar, it's just a piece of another chassis that I fit nicely on there and screw it on just to keep it from flipping over, so we're gonna take it for a test run again now. Where's Caleb when I need him? Stunt driver here, ready to take it for a test drive. Go ahead. Wheelie Kings.